Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I would love to help.
I would love to help.
I would like some water.
I would like some water.
I would go if I could.
I would go if I could.
I would never lie to you.
I would never lie to you.
I would be grateful.
I would be grateful.
I would prefer tea over coffee.
I would prefer tea over coffee.
I would enjoy that.
I would enjoy that.
I would stay longer if I had time.
I would stay longer if I had time.
I would trust her judgment.
I would trust her judgment.
I would rather walk.
I would rather walk.
I would take a nap now.
I would take a nap now.
I would choose that dress.
I would choose that dress.
I would apologize immediately.
I would apologize immediately.
I would say yes.
I would say yes.
I would run faster.
I would run faster.
I would try harder next time.
I would try harder next time.
I would fix it for you.
I would fix it for you.
I would ask for help.
I would ask for help.
I would leave early.
I would leave early.
I would start over.
I would start over.
I would paint the walls.
I would paint the walls.
I would study more.
I would study more.
I would love to see you again.
I would love to see you again.
I would explain everything.
I would explain everything.
I would clean my room.
I would clean my room.
I would bake a cake.
I would bake a cake.
I would keep it safe.
I would keep it safe.
I would follow the rules.
I would follow the rules.
I would swim in the pool.
I would swim in the pool.
I would call her tomorrow.
I would call her tomorrow.
I would do my best.
I would do my best.
I would listen carefully.
I would listen carefully.
I would save some money.
I would save some money.
I would finish the project.
I would finish the project.
I would water the plants.
I would water the plants.
I would cook dinner.
I would cook dinner.
I would buy a new book.
I would buy a new book.
I would climb that hill.
I would climb that hill.
I would read more often.
I would read more often.
I would exercise daily.
I would exercise daily.
I would travel the world.
I would travel the world.
I would build a house.
I would build a house.
I would write a letter.
I would write a letter.
I would wait patiently.
I would wait patiently.
I would trust your advice.
I would trust your advice.
I would donate to charity.
I would donate to charity.
I would pick up the kids.
I would pick up the kids.
I would forgive you.
I would forgive you.
I would take a walk.
I would take a walk.
I would turn off the lights.
I would turn off the lights.
I would drive carefully.
I would drive carefully.
I would share my story.
I would share my story.
I would explore new places.
I would explore new places.
I would sing at the party.
I would sing at the party.
I would knit a sweater.
I would knit a sweater.
I would save the document.
I would save the document.
I would act responsibly.
I would act responsibly.
I would complete the task.
I would complete the task.
I would choose the red one.
I would choose the red one.
I would smile more often.
I would smile more often.
I would pack my bags.
I would pack my bags.
I would thank them.
I would thank them.
I would teach the class.
I would teach the class.
I would pet the dog.
I would pet the dog.
I would open the door.
I would open the door.
I would remember this moment.
I would remember this moment.
I would enjoy the sunset.
I would enjoy the sunset.
I would learn to dance.
I would learn to dance.
I would forgive myself.
I would forgive myself.
I would build a sandcastle.
I would build a sandcastle.
I would swim in the ocean.
I would swim in the ocean.
I would celebrate with friends.
I would celebrate with friends.
I would cheer for the team.
I would cheer for the team.
I would trust your instincts.
I would trust your instincts.
I would invent something new.
I would invent something new.
I would call the doctor.
I would call the doctor.
I would mend the fence.
I would mend the fence.
I would hug my parents.
I would hug my parents.
I would share my lunch.
I would share my lunch.
I would fix the bicycle.
I would fix the bicycle.
I would volunteer at the shelter.
I would volunteer at the shelter.
I would visit the museum.
I would visit the museum.
I would paint a picture.
I would paint a picture.
I would laugh at the joke.
I would laugh at the joke.
I would plant more trees.
I would plant more trees.
I would decorate the house.
I would decorate the house.
I would make a scrapbook.
I would make a scrapbook.
I would thank my teachers.
I would thank my teachers.
I would visit you soon.
I would visit you soon.
I would learn to cook.
I would learn to cook.
I would buy a gift.
I would buy a gift.
I would invite them over.
I would invite them over.
I would clean the car.
I would clean the car.
I would try something new.
I would try something new.
I would run a marathon.
I would run a marathon.
I would enjoy the moment.
I would enjoy the moment.
I would make time for family.
I would make time for family.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.